Hello teachers, my name is Reese. I'm a teacher at Landi English and this is a video that shows how you could do your demo lesson in the interview with Landi. So let's pretend there are two students today, a boy named Kevin and a girl named Nancy. This is how I would do the demo in the interview. Let's take a look. Hello, my name is Teacher Reese. What are your names? Kevin, Nancy. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Nancy. How are you? Good? Great. Nice to see you. Are you ready? Go. Okay, let's go. Today's lesson is, let's see, farm animals. Let's say farm animals. Good work. Let's see the rules for our lesson. Number 1, let's sit well. Number 2, listen. And number 3, raise your hand. Ready? Let's go. Ooh, look! What's this? What animal can you see? It's a... What's this? Cow! Good, well done. The boy says, hello, cow. Let's say, hello, cow. Great jobs. High fives. Pink. Pink. Very good. Look. Big cow. Small cow. Big cow. Let's say, hello, cow. Loud, quiet, and loud. Here we go. Let's say, hello, cow. Good. Hello, cow. Hello, cow. Great jobs. Well done. High five, Kevin. Pink. High five, Nancy. Pink. Good work, guys. Okay, what about this animal? Oink, 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 oink. What's this? It's a pig. Good. Let's say, hello, pig. Oink, oink. Hello. Let's say this time, loud, quiet, quieter. Here we go. Let's say loud, hello, pig. Good. Hello, pig. And hello, pig. Wow, good work. Well done. Great jobs. Let's see what's next. Ooh. Quack, 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 quack. What's this? It's a duck. Say, duck. Very good. Well done. Look, what does the girl say? Can you hear her? Hello, duck. Very good. This time, let's say, hello, duck. Hello, duck. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. Very good. And finally, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Good work! Well done! Super, guys! Very nice. Now, what about The boy here. Ooh, the girl. She says, hello. What is this? It's a chicken. Yeah, say, hello, chicken. Good work, super. Okay, let's say, quiet, loud, quiet. Say, hello, chicken. Louder, hello, chicken. Great, and wonderful. Good work, guys. High fives. Pink, pink. Super jobs. Well done. Let's practice now. Look, what can you see? I can see a boy. Good. And a girl. Where are they? They are on a boat? No. In a car? No. On a farm. Good stuff. They are on a farm. What animals can you see? Chicken. Good. What else? Cow. Pig. What's this animal? Quack, quack. Duck. Yeah, good stuff. Okay, look at the girl. She says, this is a chicken. Say, this is a chicken. Nice jobs. Well done. Okay, let's practice. Kevin, let's say, this is a chicken. Very good. Great job, Kevin. Nancy, let's say, this is a chicken. Good work, Nancy. Super. Nice job. Okay, next animal. This is a oink, oink, oink. Pig. Good work. This is a pig. Let's say it. This is a pig. Whoa, good work, guys. Next animal. What is this? This is a What is it? This is a cow. Brilliant. Good jobs. And finally, what does the boy say? This is a quack, 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 quack. This is a duck. Let's say, this is a duck. Nice jobs. Brilliant, guys. Okay, let's practice. What is this? This is a 3, 2, 1. This is a pig. Good. Well done. Let's try another. 3, 2, 1. This cow. Good work. Yes. And 3, 2, 1. Pop. This is a chicken. Brilliant. Good jobs. High fives. Pink. Pink. Perfect. Super duper. Now, let's practice asking and answering. So, this is Nancy. This is Kevin. Nancy says, what does the cow say? Kevin says, murr, murr, murr. Let's practice. Nancy, say, What does the cow say? Good. Kevin, say moo, moo. Brilliant. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. Nancy. Kevin. Wow, good jobs. Brilliant. Well done. Let's try the next one. This time, this is Kevin. This is Nancy. The pig says, oink, oink, oink. Good. Okay, Kevin, let's say, what does the pig say? Good. Nancy? Oink, oink, oink. Yeah, brilliant. Good jobs. Well done. Okay, another for Nancy. Nancy, what's this? What does the duck say? Yeah, good. And Kevin? Quack, quack, quack. Good jobs. Well done. Brilliant. One more. Kevin, what does the chicken say? Nancy? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Ready? Okay, let's go, Kevin. What does that chicken? Yes. Nancy? Wow, brilliant. Good jobs. Well done, guys. Super. High fives. Pink, pink. Very good. That's really good. Well done. Well, that's the end of our lesson about farm animals. Who remembers what animal is this? This is a chicken. Brilliant. What's this? This is a quack, quack, duck. Very good. Ooh, what animal says moo? This is a cow. And oink, oink, oink. This is a pig. Brilliant. All right. Good job, Kevin. Good job, Nancy. Let's sing the goodbye song together now. So, Kevin, Nancy, stand up. Let's sing goodbye. Here we go. Stand up. Let's go. Goodbye.